Sizanani brings electricity and Wi-Fi to Orange Farm, an area where electricity and Wi-Fi did not exist, bringing an affordable solution and changing the lives of thousands of people. Using state-of-the-art solar and Wi-Fi solutions, Sizanani is built around technology and changing communities.
I've been using the internet for, I think, almost 2 months now.
This Wi-Fi has helped us in so many things. It helps us in things for school and things that they wanted for the phone.
For 10 rand, I can get 1 gig. On my phone, it's Kirsten rand, something like that, so I can regard this as cheap. Now with the electricity, if it's on, I don't have problems. I always use it every day, actually.
Since we have Wi-Fi here at Chovichos, it will help us with many things.
Sizanani, lighting up South Africa.